This is Oulete's spray coating line for cosmetic packaging components. Fixtures keep each part in a consistent orientation as it moves through the spray station. For a real project, confirm the color reference, finish, component material, and approved sample before repeat production. After surface finishing, operators visually review the packaging components before they move forward. Clean gloves help protect the decorated surface during handling. Buyers should define the approved appearance, acceptable color range, and inspection criteria on the real sample. Here, finished cosmetic packaging components enter an automatic protective bagging machine. Each component is enclosed before the next handling and carton packing steps. The exact packing method should be confirmed in the project specification, especially when the surface finish needs protection. Protective bagging leads into carton packing. Operators arrange finished components inside the outer carton for the next logistics step. In your RFQ, include order quantity, packing requirements, destination, and any carton or labeling instructions. This is a look inside Oulete's cosmetic packaging workshop. Equipment, trays, and line-side materials are organized around the production steps shown here. Factory footage helps buyers connect a finished sample with the real handling, inspection, and packing work behind it.
Take a minute, catch your